A time has come for this cookie! Nom, 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 oh, nom, nom.
Do the majority of people at Robinson who go through the line buy a cookie?
My lips like sugar, my lips like sugar. This candy got you sprung, this candy got you sprung. So call me your sugar, call me your sugar. You love you some, I'm sweet like.
We did this study because all the kids at Robinson always talk about how good the cafeteria cookies are.
So we wanted to find out if the majority of students who go through the line buy a cookie.
The parameter of interest is the true population proportion of students at Robinson who go through the lunch line and buy a cookie.
The hypotheses are...
Sipping grandma, yeah, I'm a fan all day. Do me that favor, cause I like your flavor. My managed behavior, I'm into your major. Sweet and so savor, that's good for this play in my hood. Now and later, throw back like a pager. Pretty much, you give me a sugar.
Our null hypothesis was p equals 0.5, and our alternative hypothesis is p is greater than 0.5. We performed a systematic random sample. We randomly selected the number 1 from using the random digit table, and then, starting in the line with the very first person, observed every other person after that.
Since we are sampling without replacement, and 40 times 10 is 400, we must assume that the population of students who go through the line is at least 400.
40 times 0.5 is equal to 20, so the number of successes and failures are both 20 and are greater than or equal to 10.
Since our conditions are met, we will perform a one sample z-test for proportion.
In our observational study, our sample proportion is 0.375, our p-value is 0.9431, our z-value is -1.5811, and our sample size is 40.
At the significance level of 0.05, failed to reject the null hypothesis because p-value is greater than 0.05.
So, do our data provide evidence that the majority of Robinson kids who go through the line buy a cookie?
No! Our data do not provide evidence that the majority of students who go through the lunch line buy a cookie.
We reduced our bias by conducting a systematic random sample in which we collected data from 10 people in all 4 lines over the span of 2 days to make a total sample of 40.
Our possible source of bias is that I can't do that anymore. That we didn't get there exactly when the first person went through the line. We observed the first person we saw.
Can you believe Megan and Michaela have never had a cafeteria school cookie before?
Well, there goes nothing.
We should have like that dramatic music playing in the background.
Oh my gosh, that's so good.
Is it even good?
No, it really is good.
Okay.
You're just like...
Okay.
Possible soy.
We performed a systematic...
Wait. Cut to mama. Oh, it's not plugged in. Oh, I'm so smart.
We did this observation because all this cool, all the cool kids.
Ready.
Aren't you guys supposed to say no first?
No!
Our data do not provide evidence that the majority of kids who go through the line buy a cookie.
No!
Equals 0.94. We can 0.943. 1.
Greater than 0.05.
This is why I'm hot. I'm hot because I'm fly. You ain't because you're not. This is why.
Loop, loop. Oh my god. Special thanks to Lily Schwartz for letting us use her computer and house for 4 hours and feeding us. Meow!